All right, guys, good morning. It is about 6:30 in the morning. It's a little early for me, but it's worth it today because we are getting some work done on the car today. So today, guys, as you can see by the title of the video, we are installing some Catless Downpipes and getting some charge pipes on. So two very crucial, fun modifications to the M4. And yeah, I'm super stoked. It's about an hour away. I'm going to my buddy Kyle's place. He did some work on my old 435. So he did a really good job. So I'm gonna take it to him again for downpipes and charge pipes, and yeah, it should be a good day. So let's hop into it. So guys, real quick, these are the downpipes. As you can tell, they are Catless. They have no restrictions, so it's gonna be better airflow for the turbo. Gonna give the car a little more power, especially once I tune it. But biggest thing is that it's gonna give this stock exhaust a better exhaust note. So I'm super stoked to see how it's gonna sound. But I decided to go with these Megan Racing Catless downpipes, so should all be good. But real quick, let's do our last cold start with the factory exhaust. It's also gonna be a good comparison for when we get the downpipes on, to do a side by side. So let's hear that stock cold start. So real quick, guys, a few days ago, I actually tried making an install video for this downpipes. I got pretty close. I took everything off on the top side of the motor, started bolting some stuff off the bottom of the car, but I just did not have enough space and I didn't have the proper tools to do it. So just a heads up for anybody installing downpipes in your M4, M3, or really any car, make sure that you have enough space, because my garage is so tiny that it made it impossible for me to move around and like use my elbows and stuff and like crawl underneath the car. So yeah, definitely make sure you have the right tools and the right space to do it. All right, guys, so it was about a 1 hour drive, but I just made it to Kyle's shop. So we got the M4 cooling off. You don't want to work on a hot engine. So but I'm actually starving. I woke up early, ate no breakfast. I'm gonna drop this car off here with them. He's gonna go ahead and get started on installing the downpipes and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and go into town and get some breakfast, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, guys, so I had to do some things in town, so I was gone for about 3 hours. I'm back at the shop now, and he's got this water slide that goes into this pond. There's some ducks over there, so I'm just chilling by this thing. He's just putting on some last bolts and everything, and the car should be done, and we should be able to listen to it and see how it drives. All right, guys, so the car is all done. I didn't catch the cold start, but I'm gonna get a cold start tomorrow morning for you guys. But there they are. These are the factory downpipes. So they're heavy and big compared to the Catless ones, so it's gonna feel so much better on the car. Then we got the factory charge pipes, plastic, those suckers are off. So the car is all done, so I'm gonna go drive it, see how it feels. All right, guys, gonna take it for a drive for the first time with the downpipes. Let's see how it feels. Definitely feels a little quicker, not gonna lie. Sorry, you guys have to sit low because I don't really have a way to mount my camera. the torque. It feels like it has more torque. Let's see. Ooh. Feels really good, guys. It's definitely a little louder, a little quicker. So far, so good. Hey guys, it is a new day. So yesterday we left off with the install of the downpipes, and I was doing some driving clips. So today I want to get the cold start video because we missed out on that. So let's see what this thing sounds like on a cold start. Okay guys, so I want to get some outside clips of the car. I don't have somebody to help film me, so I'm just gonna put you guys down on the side of the road and just do some pass-bys. So let's see how it sounds. Oh my gosh. So I really haven't been able to just rip on the car, and it sounds so good. I'm impressed. So I have a stock exhaust, stock muffler, stock resonators, everything, mid pipes, everything stock. Only thing is a catless downpipe, and it sounds really good. At lower RPMs, it's a little quiet, but once you get to like 3,000, 4,000, it just really opens up the engine, and it feels a little quicker too. It definitely feels quicker. So guys, you need to get catless downpipes because it sounds so good. Hey guys, we got to get out of here. I just did some burnouts, and yeah, there's some unhappy people, so let's get out of here. Okay guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. So overall, super stoked about these downpipes. When I get this car tuned, it's gonna be crazy. So yeah, got the downpipes, charge pipes. The car is running really well. Definitely having fun with all these modifications. So if you want to stick around and continue watching videos on this M4 and other BMW content, make sure you like and subscribe. I've got a lot of awesome stuff coming up for this car, so stay tuned for that, guys. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.